Hello everyone, I'm Justina Paris and I welcome you all to today's discussion of 20 GK questions. तो आज के करंट अफेयर्स से एंड कल के करंट अफेयर्स से कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट हम क्वेश्चंस देखेंगे, इससे आपका रिविजन भी होगा. So answer the questions that I ask you also in the chat box. This will help me to understand if you really understood the topic and to check your knowledge with regard to current affairs. So let's begin. The first question is, what is the primary function of the Commission of Scientific Technical Terminology, CSTT? ये कब बना था, आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताओगे. When did CSTT originate or establish? You are going to tell me in the chat box. Well, the answer for this, as we understand with the name, scientific and technical terms बताएगा in Indian languages, इसको define करेगा. It will have like a standardization of this. So therefore, the answer to this is B. All right. So we are going to accumulate in one place. That is what this work does. Next one is, under which department ये काम करता है ये CSTT? Again, this is very confusing question, but easy if you have watched the video. It is the Ministry of Education. So the answer to this is 2C. Let's see the next question. What is the purpose of the recently launched web portal shabdeducation.gov.in? Remember, this is for what? एक central repository, सभी terminologies in various Indian languages, right? So इसका आंसर है B, and again very easy if you have watched today's video. Next question. Following agencies is responsible for planning and facilitated the integrated development of the statistical office. कौन सी है ये बॉडी? दिस इज द नेशनल स्टैटिस्टिकल ऑफिस, जो 2019 में आई थी बाय द मर्जर ऑफ दिस एंड दिस, राइट? CSO एंड NSSO, दैट इज सैंपल सर्वे ऑफिस. सो रिमेंबर दिस आंसर, वेरी इजी. आज के आर्टिकल में हमने यही देखा था. Next question. National Statistical Commission was created based on the recommendations of which commission? Okay, अगर आज का वीडियो देखा है, yes, this is going to be very easy for you. The answer is Rangarajan Committee. So that is National Statistical Commission. Now question to you, हमने देखा है कि the steering committee on National Sample Survey Office, right? So we have seen this particular. Who is the chairman? ये आपको मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना होगा. आई वॉन्ट टू नो द आंसर ऑफ एक 17 मेंबर बॉडी. ओके, बिकॉज ये बॉडी है, दूसरे बॉडी को डिसॉल्व किया था, दैट इज द स्टैंडिंग कमिटी ऑन स्टैटिस्टिक्स, राइट? वो 14 मेंबर की बॉडी को डिसॉल्व किया था बिकॉज देयर वाज अनदर बॉडी व्हिच हैज द सिमिलर फंक्शंस. आई वॉन्ट यू टू टेल मी हु इज द चेयरमैन ऑफ दिस बॉडी, दैट इज द स्टीयरिंग कमिटी ऑन द नेशनल सैंपल सर्वे. Let's proceed to the next question. The government has dissolved 14 member standing committee, SCOS. We have seen this. तो ये committee को head किसने किया था? The answer was Pranab Sen. He was chaired this meeting. He led this meeting, but this has been dissolved. Let's see the next question. Which of the following is not a member of the Quad? Quad grouping में Germany member नहीं है, India, Japan, India and USA, as well as Australia is a member. So remember, Germany is not a member of the same. Let's proceed to the next question. Which of the following is not member of the BRICS grouping? Okay, now we know that there are 10 members total. तो इसमें कौन सा member नहीं है? It is Ecuador. Okay, so Egypt, Iran, Ethiopia, and we also saw Saudi Arabia and UAE. ये भी members add हो चुके हैं, but Ecuador is not a member. Okay, and which declaration led to the adding of these members? ये आप मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में दोगे. What is the name of the declaration which invited the new members in the BRICS? Let me proceed to the next question. Malabar जो है, it is a naval or exercise of which of the following groupings? Easy, आज के आर्टिकल में देखा था. It is Quad. Okay, the answer is Quad. Next question. Which country will be hosting the Quad Summit in 2024? Answer है USA, and we seen that अगले ही वीक में ये summit होगा, and the answer to this is USA. India will be hosting next year. Next question is BRICS के जो chairperson, okay, इस साल है in 2024, which is that is Russia. Okay, and अभी जो summit होगा कहाँ पे होगा? Kazan में होगा. The place is Kazan in Russia. Let's proceed to the next question. where is the headquarters of the BRICS New Development Bank? Now this is a very confusing statement. Many students get confused. The answer to this is Shanghai. Okay, Shanghai है. Beijing is the headquarter of which organization? Beijing headquarter है SCO, Shanghai Cooperation Organization की. Manila, as you told me, we discussed in the previous video, Asian Development Bank, and Jakarta is the headquarters of ASEAN. ठीक है, तो ये आपको याद रखना है. Let's proceed to the next question. Who is the author of the book Modi Government New Surge of Communalism? Now, आज के पेपर में आपने पढ़ा होगा that recently we know that Sitaram Yechuri, who was the General Secretary of the CPIM, Communist Party of India, Marxist, right? तो ये इनके head थे. He passed away yesterday, and इनका book है Modi Government and New Surge of Communism. A very brilliant man who also was a staunch leader for the opposition. Yes, and we see that he passed away recently. Anyway, इसका answer है Sitaram Yechuri. Let's proceed to the next question. At which conference of parties did the Prime Minister present to the world Panch Amrit of India's climate action plan? Now we have seen this in yesterday's video. Panch Amrit, or the 5 nectar elements. कौन से समिट में दिया था? COP26 जो था ग्लासगो में, right? Glasgow, that was in UK in 2021. So the answer to this is B. Let's see the next question. What is the full form of PMJAY? प्रधान मंत्री जन आरोग्य योजना. जन आरोग्य योजना, इट इज हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस से. ओके, ये जन आवास नहीं है, PMAY है. वी सॉ प्रधानमंत्री आवास योजना होता है, बट इसका आंसर है जन आरोग्य योजना. आंसर इज सी. लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. What is the medical coverage in the Ayushman Bharat प्रधानमंत्री जन आरोग्य स्कीम? Now यहाँ पे confusion हो सकता है लोगों को, because 5 lakhs तो पता है सबको, but here you have to remember it's family. Okay, so the answer to this is C. It's rupees 5 lakh per year per family. ये covered होता है इस स्कीम के थ्रू. Let's see the next question. National Commission for Protection of Child Rights, we have seen this in yesterday's video, was established under which act? Okay, do you remember which act we studied? 2005 का ये एक्ट है, और ये जो बॉडी है बनी थी 2007 में. इट्स अ स्टैट्यूटरी बॉडी बिकॉज इट वाज मेड बाय एन एक्ट. और ये 3 एक्ट्स के अंदर इट इज मेनली लुकिंग एट द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ चिल्ड्रन, द प्रोटेक्शन, द प्रमोशन ऑफ द राइट्स ऑफ चिल्ड्रन. सो रिमेंबर, कमीशन ऑफ प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ चिल्ड्रन चाइल्ड राइट्स में ये एक्ट के थ्रू ये आया था. Next is National Commission for Protection of Child Rights. Works under which ministry? Now again confusing हो सकता है, but if you have watched the yesterday's video, you'll find this very easy because it is the Ministry of Women and Child Development. So child से related आपको याद रखना है. So answer to this is D. The next question, which government has brought an act to regulate the madrasas? तो हमने देखा है ये act उत्तर प्रदेश का ये था, लेकिन इलाहाबाद हाई कोर्ट ने स्ट्राइक डाउन किया था बिकॉज इट वाज सेइंग दैट इट इज वायलेटिंग द राइट टू रिलीजन. However, Supreme Court on the other hand says that यहाँ पे रेगुलेशन हो रहा है मदरसास का, बिकॉज बहुत सारी स्कूल्स स्पेशली यूपी में we've got huge number of मदरसास, तो इसको रेगुलेट करने के लिए. एंड वी सॉ यस्टरडे के वीडियो में जो NCPCR है, नेशनल कमीशन फॉर प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ चाइल्ड राइट्स, दे सेड दैट मदरसा में जो एजुकेशन प्रोवाइड होता है इट इज अनफिट, राइट? तो इसमें हमने ये आर्टिकल देखा था. सो अ क्वेश्चन जस्ट फॉर यू टू refresh your memory with regard to the same. And the last question of the day, शिकुनला टनल जो हमने देखा था कारगिल दिवस पे इनॉग्रेट हुआ था by Prime Minister Modi. It connects which 2 regions of India? So if you watch yesterday's video, this is going to be easy. It is the Lahul Valley and the Zanskar Valley. The Lahul Valley of Himachal Pradesh to the Zanskar Valley of Ladakh. Okay, so that is the connection. And that's all for today's video. I hope you have got maximum of them right. अगर आपके कोई भी questions है, suggestions है, feedbacks है, as well as answers, please use the chat box to let me know. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time.